Welcome, Mill Knower. I'm Duff. That's Seth. And today, there we go. I'm going to town. I gotta go drop off. Whoops. I gotta go drop off coffee for somebody that doesn't know she's getting coffee. And then we're gonna go work on the Mustang today. Dropped off coffee. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Seth. There's people out there. And I'm not showing the sign where this person is. But yeah, we're going home, going work on the Mustang. Gotta order pizza first. We're back home. Not on the Mustang. I've opened the garage, but not yet. Look at that. Fucking tomatoes. So, holy shit, it's actually... So, where I'm standing, because, yeah, obviously it's not full. That is taller than me. Right about there is where it's taller than me. That is 41 inches, so yeah. Got some decent tomato right there. Another one there. Got a little tiny one right there. See a little ball? And there should be another one down bottom, right there. Yeah, those are old strawberries. I think, well, maybe I can get them going again. Those are all the roots, so I'm gonna have to get transplanted. Let's get to the Mustang now. In the garage. Because you know I didn't put any thread lock. So this is a medium strength. I'm only doing blue on this. I don't need to put the red on. Like, sure, I have the red, which is a high strength. And I have the blue with medium strength. So this, I just twist this and it comes up. Like you'll see if I twist the little bottom piece right here. I can't do it with one hand. Maybe I can. Oh shit. Okay. So I gotta put the thread locker stuff all on these caps, mounts, the harmonic balancer, that. I take the timing cover off anyways. I gotta get inside there, so this stuff will be way later. I'm just gonna do the main caps right now. Okay, we're back where we started. Meaning all this is done. I only torqued these down to 30 foot-pounds. I can't do much really because, you know, the wrench gets in there, but I can't get a torque wrench in there. So those two and those two down there on the timing cover are torqued down to 30 pounds. Same with this. I don't know if it's supposed to be more. Obviously the harmonic balancer up at 90, but right now, where is it? Where's my gasket? Ah, there it is. Water pump. So the water pump is going to go on. And is it this way? Nope. This way. There we go. That's exactly what we're going to do. Put that on. Not dropping it too much. And we're going to put the blue water pump on. I'm just going to put a couple bolts in there and see where I got. Because you got to remember, I have all these bolts minus the one that's busted. I don't know where that went. It's somewhere around. But I'll figure it out. Because I know like these two might be identical to what it's got to be. But it could, in fact, like I know that's one of the other alternator bolts. I think that's the big one, yeah. We'll just see. So, water pump's on, pulley's on, the mount for the fan is on. I'm not going to go manual fan. I've got that electric fan I picked up out of Pick and Pull in Calgary. And sure, it's out of a 3.8 liter for the newer engines. Would heat up just as much as that, but I'm making it not heat up anyways, because I don't want to use this old fan. It looks nice, but it still robs fucking horsepower, and I don't have a shroud right now for it anyways. So either this will stay on, but that's a lot of distance, so I'm gonna take out, well, technically these bolts here are almost identical. I'm gonna take one of these out, go to the parts store, get some bolts, get the ones that are really short, because I'm going to have it flat on there, because I don't really need this. Sure, I polished it up, I wasted a little bit of paint, but you know what, it looks okay. And if I do want to go fan, I can do it by belt driven. But honestly, like, you look at that pulley, like it's not even center, like something's not right here. That is not good at all. I don't like that. Oh, that's just amazing. So I think I have to. Oh crap! So you remember how I seen flat washers in there? Well, now I got to take that shit out and get those flat washers that I had. Ah, right here. These. So I've got 2 of those per. That's what levels that out. So do that right now before that Loctite in there, or sorry, thread locker, not Loctite, because I'm not using Loctite, I'm using the Permatex, because I really don't care to pay out the ass for Loctite. It's just expensive as it is. That's what I'm going to do. So the water pump is on. You can see there's a little bit of clearing in there. That's because of the washers. See, there's washers in them. So it brings it out just enough that this lines up. That's what I needed. Kind of important to know that little bit of things when you take shit apart. Don't just throw things away. That's a good thing. Next, I got to put in the pistons. So this is going to be just a flip over. Luckily, the weight is on the top right now, so it'll go to the bottom really easily. Boom. Now this is going to be fun. I've never done it before, but I've got to be careful not to score anything. Like if you look right now, that would be the perfect for this piston. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start out, I think I didn't even need to rotate it. Just going to go grab my pistons and my spring or ring compressor and get it all done. If I look in here, I just realized that needs a new painting, so the red, white, and blue of the Mustang's simple pieces needs to be done. Okay, piston. It's in there. There's the journal bearing. See how it's in there lined up? Okay, that is top dead center, close-ish to that. There is a certain way, you see how it's pushed off to the one side. Okay, for this one here, it has to be closer to the back of the engine, I'm assuming. And I'm just slightly putting it in there and just making sure it's in, okay? So I'll give you a little look if it lets you. It's hard to see, but you can see it's in there. Okay, obviously it's not going to go all the way in. Need the spring compressor. Okay, so there's your instructions, how to use it. And there you go, you can pause it, whatever, to read that over. But I'll show you. Essentially, you're just doing this. One-handed, I can do it. It's supposed to be two-handed, but I can do it one-handed. Okay. Okay, see how it twisted? That's not good. So I'm going to have to put that down, or the camera down, and going to tap that with the bottom, so the bottom of the hammer, and just tap it slightly in, but once I make sure that's all, compressed. So what I did, you can see it's in there, it's all the way in, you can see the connecting rod is on that side, so you got to make sure it pushes all the way to one side. Okay, I got it right on that one, but I think some of those might have to go back to the press. But I lubed up this one with oil. That one I kind of fucked up on, and I didn't do that. But I got a lot of oil underneath. I didn't rotate it yet. Yeah, that's my old blood. That's why you know it's piston 1. Piston 1, blood 1. Anyways, yeah. So I got a big problem. Okay, so we all know that these are supposed to go down and rotate, and then all of a sudden, it hits. The counterweights are hitting the fucking piston. Like you look at the size, like how much difference is. Okay, that there, like you can clearly see it. This here, I already measured it. It's not even 1 3/4 inches. Okay, let's just see. I brought out my tape measure. It says it's 1 3/4 inches, but that's not from there. from here, from this part, it's 1.5 inches. This is 1 3/4 inches, just about. So it's 3/4 inch. These fucking things are bashing the shit out of my fucking pistons. If I won't be able to run it. So something's not right. For fuck's sakes. I ripped my fucking pants. Oh yeah, it's a great day so far now. Now that I found out this. Oh, I gotta push it the other way. I need to rotate it up. Holy fuck. Getting real tired of this. So, here's what I'll show you the last part. So when it rotates, okay, sure, rotates, get down, and rotates there. That's bottom. Or more or less it just will not rotate because it's so fucked up. Now that I rotate it back, look how far that comes out. That has got to be a fucking 351 crank. Fuck's sakes, man. That pisses me off because now I got to take all this off I just put on. I can take the water pump. I can take off this bolt, that bolt, and those 2 bolts. Anything that connects to the block, I have to fucking pull it off. This sucks ass. So yeah, most likely I have a 351 crank in my engine instead of a 302 crank. Possible, I don't know, but that there shows me that it sticks out too much. That's usually what shows up when you have a 351. So I have to take this all apart and find the proper parts. No point me doing any kind of work. So if anything, now I'll just work on the Mustang itself, just not touching the engine. I'm just gonna fuck. I'll figure out what the hell I'm gonna do, but I don't think it's gonna run this year. Not unless I want to spend more money and get parts right away, but which I will. I have money, but fuck, I don't want to. What am I supposed to do? Send this 50-pound fucking crank back, and I pay shipping? No. No fucking way. I'm gonna find it, see if anybody wants this crank. It's brand new. It's got no damage to it. I don't know if you're in southern Alberta or even up to Edmonton. I don't give a shit. I ain't driving anywhere to sell this thing. But yeah, if you're interested, leave me a comment or actually message me. I'll try. Actually, you know what? Probably comments better. Don't try to email me because I don't really check that email. Best bet, comment or try to message me on YouTube. I don't know if you can on there anymore. I don't know. I haven't seen it. But I'm Duff, live in the middle of nowhere, and that's why 302 block now is basically sitting here waiting to get new parts again. Like, subscribe, comment, especially commenting. Let me know if you want this crank, or let me know what the hell's going on, because right now I'm stuck. I have no crank for this engine, and this is not fun. But like always, have a good one.